In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a web page using Microsoft Edge. Whether you're trying to archive a useful article, preserve a snapshot of a web page, or just save something for offline viewing later, understanding how to save a web page can be incredibly useful. So let's dive in. First, I want you to open Microsoft Edge. This is the web browser we'll be using to complete this task. Once it's open, navigate to the web page you'd like to save. Edge should display the page content in front of you, ready for a quick download. Next, let's direct our attention to the top right corner of the Edge window. There, you'll notice a small icon that looks like three horizontal dots stacked on top of one another. This is the icon that gives you access to the menu options. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will open with a variety of tools and options. Now, in this menu, take a moment to scan through the choices until you spot the option labeled More Tools. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. This will open an additional set of features that are geared more towards advanced browser usage, including the capability to save pages. Within the More Tools submenu, you'll see an option called Save Page As. It's a straightforward feature that will allow you to store the current web page. By clicking on Save Page As, you are instructing Microsoft Edge to prepare the content for download. At this stage, you should see a Windows Explorer window pop up on your screen. This is where the magic happens, as it allows you to choose exactly where you want to store your saved page on your computer. Spend a moment considering the most appropriate folder or location for your saved file. It might be helpful to create a dedicated folder for web pages if you plan on doing this frequently. Once you've selected the ideal destination for your file, confirm your choice. And that's it. Your web page is now preserved and ready for you to access offline whenever you need. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've saved a web page to your local system using Microsoft Edge. Remember, this method is an excellent way to ensure you have access to important information even when you don't have an active internet connection. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, consider checking out more of our content for other helpful tech tips and tricks.